Good morning students. Myself Miss Kamla Chetnani. I will teach you chemistry. Today we will start chemistry practicals experiment number 1. It is volumetric analysis. Experiment number 1 is volumetric analysis. First experiment is KMnO4 against ferrous sulfate. Before starting practicals, we will define some terms. Okay. Let us first define oxidation. The definition of oxidation in different ways can be given as follows. First is combination of substance with oxygen is called oxidation. For example, C plus O2 gives CO2. Second, removal of hydrogen from the substance is called oxidation. For example, MnO2 plus 4HCl gives MnCl2 plus Cl2 plus 2H2O. That means hydrogen from HCl is removed and this is called oxidation. Third definition, increase in positive valency is called oxidation. For example, Fe plus 2 will be changed in Fe plus 3. Next, fourth definition is decrease in negative valency is called oxidation. For example, Cl minus will be changed in half Cl2. Next, fifth, the increase in the oxidation number of the atom or ion is called oxidation. For example, Cr plus 3 will be changed in Cr plus 6 ion. Next, sixth definition, the phenomenon of release of electron. If electrons are released from the substance, that is called oxidation. For example, sodium will give Na plus 1 electron is released. So, the sixth definition is important. The last definition is called modern definition because the concept of the donation and acceptance, donation of electrons and acceptance of electrons can be applied to both organic and inorganic chemistry. Second term is reduction. There are so many definitions of reduction also. Combination of substance with hydrogen is called reduction. For example, Li plus half H2 gives LiH. So, removal of combination of hydrogen. Second is removal of oxygen from the substance is called reduction. For example, CuO plus H2 gives Cu plus H2O. This is called reduction because of the removal of oxygen from CuO. Next, third definition is decrease in positive valency is called reduction. For example, Mn plus 7 will be changed in Mn plus 2. So, valency of Mn is decreasing from 7 to 2. Fourth definition is increase in negative valency is called reduction. For example, half O2 will be changed in O minus 2 charge. So, increase in negative valency. This is also called reduction. Next, fifth definition, decrease in oxidation number of the atom or ion is called reduction. For example, half H2 will be changed in H minus 1 charge. Last, sixth definition, the phenomenon of acceptance of the electron by a substance is called reduction. For example, Cr plus 6 plus 3 electron, acceptance of electron will be changed in Cr plus 3. So this is also called reduction. The last definition is called modern definition because the concept of donation and acceptance of the electron applied to both organic and inorganic chemistry. Okay.